Hello everyone, this is Gates of Antares part 4. This will be the last video. Okay, so the first dice pulled out of the bag is a Concord dice. So it is Concord's turn. They are given an advance order, but before they can accomplish the order, they take a command test. And they pass, so they move 5 inches and can also shoot. And they do shoot, and they need 5s or under to score hits, and they score 2 hits on this assault squad. And there is another view of the assault squad with the 2 hits allocated. And after a few rolls, we determine that the assault squad does take a pin. The next dice is a Gar dice that comes out of the bag, so it is the Gar's turn. An order is given to this particular Gar battlesuit squad. They move 5 inches. It is an advance order. But they cannot shoot as there is no line of sight to the target. This is a view of the Gar as they tighten in their formation. And yes, they are moving in for the kill. Yet another Gar dice, and we'll see what order goes next. And a fire order. They do have to take a command test in order to accomplish this, which they fail. So no shooting for this unit, and they go down. The next order is yet another Gar order, and so it's their turn. It goes to the command squad. The command unit fires on the closest Concord unit. And there it is, 1 hit allocated to the leader of the squad. No casualties, but they do take pins. I believe it's 4 pins. Okay, and the last command dice, I think this is the last Gar command dice, comes out of the bag. The Gar really moving forward all these turns, right? Looks like 1 Gar unit is down. And the Concord bravely assault. They charge in for an assault. Now, assaults have various phases. This is the point blank phase, and the Concord use grenades. They score 1 hit with the grenades. And we determine that the Gar take a break test, which they pass. And in hand-to-hand, this is the hand-to-hand phase, the Gar retaliate. That's because the Concord failed. The Gar Claw has a random strike value, and they roll a 3, so the Gar take a command roll and pass, and well, that's it. Concord do several hits when they retaliate, but the Concord do have to take a command test because of course they are also pinned, and they pass, and they give the assault squad even more pins. And I believe those were, oh, there's 1 more Concord order left. It is given to the unit up on top on the catwalk. You can see what that unit sees. There's a mass of Gar units below. There's another view before they fire. And the Concord are given a fire order, so they get a +1 to aim. The range is good. It's under 20 inches, and these Gar take more fire from above. Okay, there's a view from above, and this unit is down, and it takes more pins. And that's it. That's all the dice in the bag. This is a view of the offensive of the Gar. Okay, I will be posting a little short video of Coming up next, a 3-minute chat on this particular game. And there is a massive... both units hit each other hard. Now this was a blast roll. This happened before when the crawler fired. You put the blast template on, then you roll a 4-sided dice. It scored 1 hit. That was the one you saw earlier. And this is another situation where an order is removed. The GAR have to take an order test in order to remove pins and also see if the down dice is put back in the bag. The GAR failed the order test. The unit remains down, but 1 pin is removed. So if we were playing another turn, this GAR unit would begin the turn down. There's a command test that had to be taken earlier as well. All right, folks, thank you.